Hello guys, it's Adventures of Scott Michelle. Hi everybody, I just wanted to come on here and say happy 4th of July to everybody. It's July 4th, 2026 and we're celebrating 250 years of America. So I want to come on here and say happy birthday to America and happy 4th of July everybody. We're here celebrating and we're here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Or actually Two Rivers, Wisconsin. I'm going to be seeing the fireworks. It's going to be launching right over there in Wisconsin. So we're here for the fireworks show. So waiting for the fireworks to start and can't wait to see them. And it's a beautiful spot because there's not hardly anybody around and it is gorgeous. And right where we're at, you can just see people launching fireworks like all over the place. So it is so cool, and we're going to be seeing them right here at the beach from our hotel. So can't wait. This is going to be awesome. It's actually our first time doing this too, so I can't wait to see them. I'm so excited. But look at the finale we got right behind us. This is so cool. So happy 4th, everybody. So you see, folks, you see two fireworks shows all in one. I think the one in
Two Rivers.
Two Rivers started. And we're sitting here waiting for the one for
in Manitowoc.
Yeah. Which is going to be right in front of us. But this one is cool.
And this one is a little bit closer. This one is about a mile and a half, 2 miles. This one's about 2 miles from our location.
Yeah.
While the other one is going to be about 4 miles down the beach.
Yes. But we drove by there and there was like no parking whatsoever. Mm-hmm. It was jam-packed.
And we tried seeing if we could even find parking by Two Rivers, but with the location. No. But we even drove right there at noontime and there was no parking.
No, but I'm glad where we're at because this looks like a great view. Wow, this is so cool, guys.
Because actually there's people hanging out right at the front of the hotel on the end of benches, probably just to watch the show.
Yes, that's cool. awesome, guys. Like right outside of our hotel. This is awesome. Wow, I love it. Woohoo!
There's the Manitowoc show. It looks a little bit clearer in person.
Yes, it does. It looks gorgeous too. But it's like right where we're standing, like people are just launching their own fireworks like all over.
Yeah, on the other side of the road.
Yeah, it's so cool.
So Manitowoc is straight ahead, and other people are launching theirs all over the place. And then very occasionally we see flashes of light like 40, 50 miles on the other side of Lake Michigan.
Yeah.
Coming from a show over there.
Yeah.
There is a ferry boat, a car ferry that takes you from Ludington, Michigan to Manitowoc, Wisconsin.
Yep.
We have looked into it, but it costs like a little over $100 for a couple of people, for 2 people plus a car.
Yeah. But this is really neat, folks. I'm trying to get a better quality view for you guys, but since we're not that close, it's kind of hard.
So this may not be our only fireworks show this year, and plus this year, and so now that we know where the fireworks do launch off, we might be better positioned.
Next year.
In the future.
Yes.
A lot more to it.
Okay, folks, I think this is the finale here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin.
Well, 2 Rivers looking south at Manitowoc.
Yeah.
Wisconsin. Yeah, it's a fan.
And right here by the beach, too. Got a really nice, perfect view.
Again, I don't know why. It's like video or TV just doesn't really give fireworks justice. It's always better.
I know it is. Always better in person. But yeah, that looks like the finale, folks.
We tried going down there earlier, but we couldn't find any spot to eat near there.
Yeah, I know. And it was like way too crowded. But I want to say happy birthday, America. 250 years.
Yeah. And many more.
And many more.
What more can you ask for? You got fireworks, you got stars, you got the lake.
Oh, yeah. This is beautiful.
And about 69, 70 degrees. It appears to be it. Oh.
No?
Or is that just a look? Or is there more?
It looks like there's more, folks.
Now the one good thing though is that we stayed at the Lighthouse Inn. So we didn't have to, we have our car parked and we just walked down the beach a little bit.
Yeah, so it's nice.